Today we're going to talk about some of the misinformation out there when it comes to anal sex. Anal sex is something that many people are interested in engaging, but because of how taboo the topic is, we don't have accurate information readily available to everyone. This video hopefully is a tool for you. Let's talk about the first misunderstanding. A lot of straight men are into anal play. It's not as uncommon as you think. According to a CDC study, nearly half of men aged 15 to 44 said they had anal sex with a female partner. On top of that, in 2007, a sex toy company reported a 56% increase in interest for prostate massage tools over 5 years. The prostate is often referred to as the male G-spot because of how many nerve endings are concentrated there, which can make stimulation incredibly pleasurable. There are toys out there that help men to be able to experience prostate orgasm, and one of the way that you can access prostate, and I would say one of the only way, is through anal sex. As I said, that anal sex can be pleasurable for men who are into having sex with men and men who are having sex with women. Worried about stool leakage? That's one of the most common myths that's out there. Many people are scared that if I have an anal sex experience, that caused me to not be able to control my bowel movement. There is no evidence that shows that anal sex causes long-term issues like this. Of course, the key for having a good experience is good communication, anal training, which could take up to 6 weeks. So if you haven't had anal sex in the past, you might want to start with using different sizes of butt plug and experimenting with preparing your body for it, so the experience will be enjoyable for you. And also, it's important to be with a partner that they have good communication, they listen to you, and you're going slow. You might experience tears if your body is not ready, you're not using a right tool, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you will have issue with controlling your bowel movement, because we don't have studies indicating that. Number 3 is that you don't need to go all in with full penetration to explore anal. The skin around the anus is super sensitive and packed with nerve endings. Many people just enjoy having a finger on their anus or exploring getting massaged that erogenous zone, or you can some people enjoy rimming. So there's a different levels of penetration or touch that you can incorporate if you're not into full penetration that will make this experience available to you and make it exciting. Simple acts like gentle stroking, rubbing, or even kissing this area, often called anal surfacing, can feel just as pleasurable as penetration for some people. So if you're just curious, don't feel pressure to dive straight into the deep end. Take small steps and see what works for you and your partner. Number 4, if anal sex is painful, something is not right, unless you're into rough play. Pain is often a sign that you're going too fast, skipping enough preparation, or not relaxed enough. And the solution to neither of those activities is to push harder. The anal area doesn't self-lubricate, so using a generous amount of lube is a must for a smoother, more comfortable experience. When it comes to lubes, not all lubes are equal. It's important to get one that hopefully is compatible with condom, and also it helps you to have easier and better experience. Take time to communicate with your partner. Pause if needed and ease into things. Many people find the communication that gets into having good anal sex as the best part of their experience, because they say that they feel closer to their partner. Remember, the goal is to make it as pleasurable as possible, not a painful experience. Let's go to number 5. One common mistake isn't skipping cleaning, but rather overdoing it with douching. Many people believe douching is essential for anal play, but doing it too often or incorrectly can actually cause problems. Overdouching can strip the area of its natural bacteria, potentially increasing the risk of HIV, HPV, and causing anal injury. If you choose to clean, use lukewarm water and keep it simple. There is no need to use harsh solution or excessive products. Moderation is key to staying safe and comfortable. At the end of the day, it's all about comfort, communication, and pleasure. It's really important to communicate what feels good for you and what might not be. And first time you're having anal sex, it doesn't need to be what you have in mind. It could be still deeply pleasurable, but there's no one size fits all. If you have any suggestions for people who haven't experienced anal sex, put it in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and support us with subscribing to our channel.